Hi guys! So one beautiful morning in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, my husband and I decided that you know what? It's high time we left the apartment where we stay in search of a better apartment. Hence this video was created. So while you enjoy the view of Edmonton, Canada, just like I enjoyed it while I was filming this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share with your friends, comment on your favorite apartment in the comment section, and also subscribe if you've not subscribed, guys, please. Okay. So also I need to ask you guys to pardon me because some of the apartments were filmed while I was still in quarantine, the normal 2 weeks quarantine. Yeah, so I had to beg my husband to pick up some clips for me. And of course, he's not a YouTuber, he's not a content creator, so he doesn't know the YouTube specification. So the first part of this video is not going to be in the YouTube specification, right? So just pardon me for that. But anyways, aside that, please enjoy this video, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your...
So guys, this apartment is actually my best apartment in all the apartments you're going to see in this video. This apartment is a 2-bedroom basement apartment which is newly built. Like, this apartment is like brand new. Nobody had lived in this apartment. As you can see, all the appliances here are brand new. So it's a 2-bedroom basement apartment, which is, I mean, for a basement, everybody knows basement to be dark, but this is well lit. Like, as you can see, it has big windows, and we've not actually turned on the lights yet. Like, this is just the natural light coming in. And the rent for this apartment is 1,100, and it's all bills inclusive, like I said before. So I mean, like, wow, this apartment, I'm actually making this video right now, or I mean, I feel so bad that we didn't take this apartment, but it's okay. Now, why didn't we take this apartment? Let me gist you guys. So what happened was, so the man told us the rent 1,100, and the Nigerian in us, it will always have to come to play. So we were like, okay, you know what, can you give us for 1,000? So we have to bargain, right? I mean, if you don't bargain, then we are not Nigerians. So that was how, by the time the man was like, okay, no problem, I'm gonna get back to you tomorrow. So by the time we call home and we thought about it, and we're like, let's just take it. We called the man to tell him that, okay, let's take it, at 1,100. The man was like, oh, I'm so sorry, another person came to view the apartment, and the person took it at 1,100. And we were like, oh my god, as in the thing pained us die, but it's okay. I mean, if it was meant for us, I mean, we would have gotten it, right? But yeah, enjoy the rest of the tour for this apartment.
Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walking the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Picture so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then see me now, see me now, see me.
So guys, yeah, this is the second apartment. This apartment is a 1-bedroom basement apartment and the rent is $950. Now this is not all bill inclusive, you have to pay for your Wi-Fi, okay? And this apartment is also nice, but I mean it's brand new. As you can see, everything is brand new, but I don't understand why this man did not think of putting a sitting room, like from the kitchen to the toilet, I mean, and then the washroom. From the washroom you head out, so there is nothing like sitting room in this apartment. Now this room is for the, I mean, where you can do your washing, like the washer and the dryer, and that is all you have to do to this apartment. I don't understand. As nice as this apartment is, there is no sitting room. So guys, this third apartment is also a 2-bedroom 1-bathroom apartment, although it's not a basement apartment. It's just, I think it's like a condo kind of apartment, but I mean this is like my least favorite apartment in all of this apartment that, you know, I'm showing you guys, because I mean this house or this apartment is really old. It was like no. Yeah, it's cheap, but you have to, so with 850, yeah, 850 is like a rent, but you also have to pay for power here. And the apartment is really old. Like look at those closet doors, and I mean it's really old. And look at the heater panels, it's like it's almost open. And so yeah, it was newly painted, but we still didn't like it because it was really old. So it's actually our least favorite apartment.
Now you'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling. Then nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a wave, the twilight, my only, my bestie. Into my life, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh, somebody else, and that is you.
So guys, when I saw this apartment in Facebook Marketplace, I was so happy because I felt like, oh, this is like consolation for the first one that we lost, because they look exactly alike. So but this, I can say that this was my second favorite, because that first one was like I really like that one. That one is my favorite, but this one was my second favorite because it wasn't well lit like the first one. If we had stayed here, I'm sure that for my contents I will buy ring lights, right? And Yeah, but that's not all. So this apartment is really far from town. So if you want to go, buy things, like go grocery shopping, and if you want to like get downtown to have fun and enjoy, you have to drive all the way. So from this apartment to this to like to the city is like or to downtown is like a 40 minutes drive. Now imagine if you're not driving and you're jumping from buses to trains, it's going to take you like up to an hour. And we said no. Now we didn't say no immediately, because when we left here we were like, okay, we are really going for this one, until we saw a better apartment located very close to downtown. It's accessibility to superstores, accessibility to town, accessibility to, if you really want to hang out with your friends, it won't be that hard. And if I had stayed in this apartment, man, I'm sure my husband wouldn't mind though, because he's working from home, but I'm sure that the pressure would have gotten a better part of me, because I really like to go out. Like, I'm an outdoor person, right? And so I was really happy when we found the other one. The other one was like, it isn't as posh as this one, but I'm sure you would have been like, we would be happy staying there. So yeah, expect a empty house tour soon. Yeah, so that apartment that we saw, I didn't include it here because I still want to show you guys like our empty apartment tour. So yeah, enjoy the rest of this video. But at the end of this house tour, like this apartment tour, you're going to see where this apartment is located in. You see the residence. It reminded me of VGC and Lekki, like where the rich people stays. So it's really a nice apartment in a good neighborhood, right? So yeah, enjoy.
It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walking